Is there a Windows 10 hotkey or shortcut for switching to a specific display? I have my Windows 10 desktop computer connected to two displays through HDMI, one monitor and one TV, which I can toggle through with Windows key plus P as described in the accepted answer to this question. However, I was wondering if there was some hotkey, shortcut, or button combination I could use, sort of like a virtual KVM switch that lets me select one display or another specifically, without needing to cycle/toggle through other displays.
The built-in display switch.x tool can emulate the plus P capabilities. You can potentially create 4 desktop shortcuts so that you have one available for each option. For the PC screen only, %vinda%/system32 /displayswitch.x/internal. For duplicate, %vinda%/system32 /displayswitch.x/clone. For extend, %vinda%/system32 /displayswitch.x/extend. For second screen only, %vinda%/system32 /displayswitch.x/external. Source.
Plus P toggles 3 modes. Local only, local plus external, TV, duplicated, local plus external, TV, extended. My advice is to leave things set at number 3 most of the time. In this mode, all of your screens are always available. The keyboard will use whatever has the focus, regardless of which display you're looking at, and the mouse cursor will easily move back and forth. That would still be a hassle, except you can also easily move individual programs between displays using these shortcuts. Plus Shift plus, right arrow. Plus Shift plus, left arrow. So you can queue up something on your internal display, and then easily push it to the TV without losing access to the internal display. If the left and right arrows seem backwards from your actual setup, you can adjust the monitor layout in Display Properties.
Based on Run5K's answer, I created an auto hotkey script. Control plus page up for PC screen and Control plus page down for the second screen.
Little PowerShell script to toggle, using built-in Windows display switch.exe, between extend and internal/primary screen every time the script is executed. You can easily convert the PS1 script into exe using PS2 exe GUI tool. Display switch toggle.ps1.
These are just shortcuts.